Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G41, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So here on the right side of your device you got the volume buttons. Just tap here on one from these volume buttons and you'll see then the ring icon here. Just tap twice, 2 times. 1, 2. The second time is, can you see we got here the message that our call and notifications will be muted. That means that our silent mode is activated. And if you want to just turn off the silent mode, just again tap only once on your bell icon and your calls and ringtones just will ring. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.